Why does your scanner show the P014C engine code? What does it mean? P014C is a diagnostic trouble code for 02, sensor circuit slow response, rich to lean. Bank 1 sensor 1. The P014C engine code indicates that the PCM detects the primary oxygen sensor is slow to switch from a rich fuel mixture to a lean condition after fuel changes. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty throttle position sensor, corroded or damaged wiring, loose electrical connections, circuit short to power, malfunctioning throttle actuator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Kia, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.